Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your TeamViewer app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on your name here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. You come here to push notifications for trusted devices here. So you click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean push notifications for trusted devices disable with us now. So that's all you have to do now. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.